Good morning, everyone. You're watching MERI News. I'm Tanishka Singh.
And I'm Ridhima Tanwar.
Let's start with main headlines. International cooperation strengthens as global leaders boost partnership for development.
India achieves major milestone in renewable energy growth.
Delhi sees new infrastructure development improving daily commute.
Government launches digital education initiative for rural students.
Indian athletes shine with outstanding performance in international sports. Now, news in details. Global cooperation continues to strengthen as world leaders focus on building partnerships for sustainable development and economic growth. Recent diplomatic engagements between major nations have highlighted collaboration in areas such as clean energy technology and global security. Joint initiatives and agreements are helping countries address global challenges like climate change and economic inequality. Analysts suggest that continued collaboration will lead to long term stability and shared prosperity. Such efforts also encourage cultural exchange and mutual understanding across borders.
India has achieved a significant milestone in renewable energy, recording rapid growth in solar and wind power capacity. Government initiatives and private sector investments have accelerated the country's transition toward clean and sustainable energy sources. This progress is expected to reduce carbon emissions, generate employment, and strengthen India's position as a global leader in renewable energy. The achievement marks an important step towards a greener and more sustainable future. Advancements in technology have made renewable energy more efficient and cost effective. The sector is expected to attract more global investments in the coming years.
Delhi has witnessed a positive boost in infrastructure development with new projects aimed at improving transportation and reducing traffic congestions. Road expansions, flyover construction, and better public transport connectivity are making daily commute smoother for residents. Authorities have stated that these developments will enhance urban mobility and contribute to the city overall growth and modernization. The improved traffic management systems and better road planning are reducing travel time significantly. Citizens have expressed their satisfaction with the ongoing improvements in connectivity. These developments are also expected to boost economic activity and urban living standards.
The government has introduced a new digital education initiative to improve learning opportunities in rural areas. The program focuses on providing smart classrooms, digital devices, and teacher training to ensure quality education for all students. This initiative aims to bridge the gap between urban and rural education systems, empowering students with better resources and skills for the future. Special training sessions are being conducted to ensure effective use of modern technology in classrooms. Experts believe this initiative will create equal learning opportunities for students in remote areas. It also prepares the younger generation for a more technology driven future.
Indian athletes have delivered impressive performances in recent international sporting events, bringing pride to the nation. From cricket to athletics, players have showcased determination, skill, and sportsmanship. Their achievements not only highlight India's growing presence in global sports but also inspire young talent across the country to pursue excellence in their respective fields. Increased support from sports authorities and better training facilities have contributed to these achievements. Many athletes have broken previous records and set new benchmarks in their own fields. Success stories are motivating youth to actively participate in sports.
That's all for this news bulletin. Keep watching MERI News.